What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about JD.com versus Alibaba. If you're new, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So I was on this Motley Fool's website and talk about a better buy between JD.com and Alibaba. And I guess if you don't know, they're one of the two top largest e-commerce markets in the world. So I just want to talk about which one may be a better buy. As you go down, it gave a little metrics, comparison between both, the revenue, the growth, something like that, the cash flow. I think this will look good. A good article to read. If you don't know, Alibaba is pretty much China's, I guess you could say, biggest online commerce company. Pretty much you got a place where you can go and buy products in bulk. And JD.com is pretty much like kind of like a direct retailer where you can go on and buy. I mean, you can I guess it takes any kind of inventories. I actually say JD.com is just like Amazon, the China version of Amazon. And it's pretty good. I think JD.com has growth and has been accelerating, and I think it's becoming more profitable than Alibaba. So I would definitely think JD.com is a good buy right now. We'll see where it goes. But yeah, leave a comment about what you think about JD.com and Alibaba. Which one you think is a better buy? For me, I think JD.com is growing. I'm looking at charts earlier, and that's gonna be a good buy. So, like I said, if you leave a comment about which one you think is better, which one you guys have, and yeah. So leave a comment, subscribe, like, and enjoy my journey.